In today's video, I am going to teach you how to contact Telegram support. We'll cover two simple ways, reaching out from inside the app and using a web browser. I'll walk you through each option clearly so you know exactly what to expect and how to get the fastest possible help. First, let's do it in the app. Open Telegram on your device. On the main screen, tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From there, go into Settings and then choose Ask a Question. This brings up a window with two choices. You'll see an option to go to the FAQ, which is Telegram's official knowledge base with answers to common problems. And you'll also see Ask to Volunteer. Telegram support is primarily handled by volunteers through the Telegram support force. So keep in mind that response times can vary depending on how busy they are. If you need human assistance, select Ask to Volunteer, then click Start. That will open a conversation where a volunteer can help. When you write your message, be clear and specific about the issue. Mention the device and app version if you know them. And describe what you've already tried. Avoid sharing sensitive information like passwords or codes. Support will never need those. If your question is straightforward, you might get a quicker response. If it's more complex, check back later, as volunteers respond as they become available, if you prefer to try solving it yourself first. The FAQ link on that same screen is often the fastest path to a fix. Now, if you'd rather use a browser, open any browser you like. In the search bar, look up telegram.org/support. This is the official Telegram support page where you can submit a support request. Make sure you are on the correct domain so you stay safe and avoid impersonation sites. From there, you'll be able to reach out to Telegram through their online channel. As with the in-app route, keeping your description concise and accurate helps speed things along, and you should never include sensitive details. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.